Familiarize yourself with the 2019 Ford F-150. Turbocharger technology provides forced air induction, enhancing performance while preserving fuel economy. Top features include air conditioning, delay-off headlights, a tachometer, variably intermittent wipers, a rear step bumper, and a split folding rear seat. Passengers are protected by various safety and security features, including dual front impact airbags with occupant sensing airbag, front and side impact airbags, traction control, brake assist, ignition disabling, and four-wheel disc brakes with ABS. Electronic stability control stands out as a technologically savvy innovation, keeping you better connected to the road. Please don't hesitate to give us a call